So, hello students. We were learning a chapter that is linear equation in one variable. Okay. So in the previous period we have solved some word problems. We have solved some numericals on this topic. We have learned how to find the solution or the value of x in linear equation in one variable. Okay, we have learned how to find the value of the variable. Okay, now today we are going to solve some application or applicative type examples which are known as word problems. Okay, so now in solving word problems we have to be sure that first thing is that read the question 2 to 3 times, and when we are sure, when we are getting some information from the question, then only start solving. Okay, so let us start solving some examples. Okay, now here we have first example as two numbers are in the ratio 7:5. If they differ by 16, what are the numbers? Now remember that whenever you are having an example of a ratio, that is two numbers are in so and so ratio, so we have to consider some common multiple between these both. That is, we need a common factor between these both. We have to make it. Okay, so how to make it? Solution, let, you can write. Now here it is given that two numbers are in the ratio and we have to find their difference. Now it means that the two numbers, out of the two numbers, one will be greater, one will be smaller. Okay, so let, you can write the required numbers be. Now remember what you have to write. Our first number must be 7x and 5x. Okay, now why we have written this x over here? So I told that if they are given in terms of ratio, we should have some common multiple between them. So this is that common number between them. Is it clear? So now we have 7x and 5x. Now it is decided that 7x is our first number, 5x is our second number. Now what is the condition? If they differ by 16, so we have to write. Now as per the condition. Now what is condition? First number minus second number equals to difference. Okay, why we have considered this one? Because it is given that they differ. Okay, in difference we are generally considering the bigger number first, then the smaller number. Okay, and then we are writing what is the answer. Okay, so here we have if they differ by 16. Okay, it means that our answer is 16. Now what is our first number? So first number is 7x, second number is 5x. So what you will get? 7x minus 5x equals to, what is the difference? So the difference is 16. Okay, now this is our regular linear equation, so we can solve it. First we'll subtract this to 7x minus 5x, so you will get 2x equals to 16. Now we need to find the value of x. So 2 is multiplying x, we'll change its side, it will divide. So you will get x equals to 16 upon 2. Therefore x equals to 8. Now we are having value of x. Okay, that is variable, common variable. Okay, we do not have the actual number, so now we have to find what is the actual number. Okay, therefore first number equals to, now what is our first number? We have considered it to be 7x, so you have to write here 7x, that equals to 7 multiplied by, we know that 7x means there is multiplication sign, so we have written it here. Now what is the value of x? So value of x is 8. Okay, I'm just highlighting it. So now 7 into what you will write here? 8 equals to, now 7 8s are 56. So 56 is our first number. Okay, then we have to write second number, and second number equals to 5x. From where we got 5x? So from here. Okay, so that equals to 5 into 8 equals to, now 5 8s are 40. Okay, so these are our required numbers, that is 56 and 40. Okay, now if you want to cross verify it, what condition was given? The difference between two number is 16. So if you find difference between two number, what answer you will get? 16. It means that our values are correct. Okay, so in this way you have to solve the word problems. Okay, now let us solve one more example. Okay, now as these all are applicative type examples, every time you may get different conditions. Okay, now here we have the sum of three consecutive multiples of 5 is 330. We have to find the multiples. Now whenever you are dealing with the question consecutive multiples, okay, so multiple means table of 5 we can consider. Okay, now suppose when we write the table of 5, just we write that 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Okay, so if you want to make a pattern, 5 3s are 15. Okay, now forget about this one. Okay, this part we don't need to think about it. Okay, but we are going to think about this part. Okay, that is 5 10 and 15, these numbers. Now we can write this one in a proper pattern. What pattern will be there? Now remember that this can be written as 5 as it is, this can be written as 5 plus 5, this can be written as 5 plus 10. Okay, so here you can see that this number is the same every time, and every new number, that is next number, is increased by 5. Just like this one was simplified, now 5, I'm highlighting the common number, so this is our common number. Okay, so now here what we have, 5, then it is increased by 5, then the third number is increased by again 5. If the next number will be there, it will be again increased by 5. Okay, so this we have to consider for solving these examples. Okay, now we have that three consecutive multiples of 5 is 330. Find the multiples. Okay, so let us write its solution. So let the required, okay, let the required multiples of a 5 be, now here I am writing, let the first multiple be x. Now x means it is playing the role of this 5. Okay, so what will be the next number? So the next number will be, now it is increased by 5, so our next number will be x plus 5, next number will be x plus, every time we have to increase it by 5, the previous number. Just now this one I have increased by 5, so it will become x plus 5. If I am increasing this one by 5, it will become x plus 10. Okay, so every time the number is increased by 5, so I can say that these number are nothing but multiples of 5, and that also consecutive. Consecutive means one after another, very next. Okay, so now we are having that three numbers. Now we have to find what are the actual multiple. Okay, so now as per the condition, what is the condition? The sum of three consecutive multiples of 5 is 330. So what are the multiples? Okay, let me write here, three numbers are there. So first number plus second number plus third number equals to sum. Now what is the first number? So that is x, so you will write here x. Second number is x plus 5, so you will write here x plus 5 plus x plus 10 equals to how much? 330. Now let us add these numbers. Okay, now here x is how many times? 3 times, so it will become, therefore 3 times x plus, now this 10 plus 5, it will become 15 equals to 330. Now here we have our linear equation in one variable. Now what we have to do, we'll change the side of this 15 first. Okay, so what you will get, therefore 3x equals to 330 minus 15. Okay, therefore 3x equals to, you will get here 315. Now we don't want this 3 here, it is multiplying x. If we change its side, it will divide. Okay, so what you will get, therefore x equals to 315 upon 3. And therefore x equals to, when you divide this one, that is, you will get 3 ones are and 3 105s are. Okay, so we have the value of x as 105. Okay, now here we have value of x, we have to find the remaining numbers also. Okay, so therefore the required, or we can write directly, therefore first number equals to x equals to, second number equals to x plus 5 equals to, and third number equals to x plus 10 equals to. Now our first number will be value of x as it is, so it will be 105. Okay, second number will be x plus 5, so that will be 105 plus 5, that equals to 110. Next number will be x plus 10, so it will be 105 plus 10, so that equals to 115. Now if you want to verify the answer, check each number, each of these answers are having same difference, that is, they are having difference of 5, so we can consider that these are multiples of 5, and if we add up these numbers, our total will be 330. Okay, so these are the required numbers. Okay, so in this way you have to solve the word problems. Okay, so this much is enough for today. Thank you, have a nice day.